Hi everyone, this is Jared Education na kung saan nandito si Jared para magbigay ng edukasyon. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So ngayon ay continuation lang po ito sa kahapon na addition and subtractions of integers. Ngayon, ang ituturo ko sa inyo is multiplication of integers. Paano nga ba mag-multiply ng integers? Tatandaan lang natin is ang equation dito is positive times positive equals to positive, and then positive times negative always negative, and then negative times negative is always positive, and then negative times positive is always negative. Masyadong nagugulahan. Here's some examples. Example number 1 is positive times negative. So makikita natin is positive 4 is times to negative 5. Makikita na, and dun sa, base sa equation, positive times negative equals negative. So, ito times lang natin siya like we normally do, which is 4 times 5 is equals to 20. Ngayon, since dahil laging negative ang positive times negative, the answer will be negative 20. Now, let's go down to the second example, which is positive times positive. Ngayon, normal multiplication lang po ang gagawin natin since pareha sila positive. So, 7 times 7 is equals to 49. Now, let's go to the third equation or third example, which is the negative 3 times negative 3. Now, makikita natin dito is negative times negative is equals to positive. Lagi natin tatandaan na positive times positive is equals to positive, and negative times negative is equals to positive. Gagawin lang natin is do the normal multiplication, which is 3 times 3 is equals to 9. Since pareho sila negative, wala tayong gagawin dyan since positive 9 ang kakalabasan. Now, let's down to the last example, which is negative times positive. Makikita natin dito na negative 2 times 3 is equals to negative because negative times positive, so negative times positive. Gagawin lang natin ang normal multiplication, which is 2 times 3 is equals to 6. And then, since negative nga ang kakalabasan ng negative times positive, negative 6 ang kakalabasan nilang dalawa. Masyado mong mabilis. Another example number 5 is, let's do negative 4 times negative 6. Makikita natin dito na pareho silang negative. So, ang kakalabasan niyan is positive since ang equation dyan is negative times negative equals positive. So, we're gonna do the normal multiplication. 4 times 6 is equals to 28. Since positive na ang kakalabasan ng parehong negative, wala tayong gagawin dyan. Thank you for watching. If you learned something, hit that notification bell and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. And if you learned something, hit that notification bell to learn more and then subscribe. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.